Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application, and now we should tap here to network and internet. Then click to the internet, and just to activate Wi-Fi we should click once here on the switcher. After that we'll see here all the available networks, and now for example let's select one from the networks. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password you should click on this checkbox to show the password. I'll enter the password out of screen. And then click here to connect. Now just wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna select more networks, you can do that. After that, you'll see them here in saved networks list, and after that, just if you have just the slow internet connection, you can switch between them. To turn on the Wi-Fi, we should click here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that click here to internet section. To activate Wi-Fi we should click here on the switcher. After that we should select the network and under the password tap to connect and click to done. To turn off the Wi-Fi from here by the same way, click on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.